Well, good morning. We ended up hiking a 2-mile hike into this campsite up here. Didn't get much filming done hiking up here yesterday, but what a beautiful morning it is this morning. You can have a right overlook to the highway over there. It is absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty. The hike was quite a hike with our backpack stuff and things, but first time doing this, so I walk up there and show you guys. They still sleeping. I'm the only one awake. Oh, no, somebody's coming out. Look at that. What a morning it is, huh?
It is.
He's still sleeping. So, but we're gonna start making some coffee, and it's supposed to rain at 8 around here, so we're gonna pack up and probably head back to the car.